Hey, welcome back. It's Back to the Basics. I'm Sean Barr, and at Looking Point, we help IT organizations make decisions around collaboration, security, and networking. Today, we're talking about the best way to rack networking equipment. Let's go! Alright, we're back and we are talking racking networking equipment. Before you configure it, get it all into the infrastructure, you've got to rack it into a rack. And if you're like most people, you've had issues actually getting those little cage nuts into the rack, obviously depending on what type of rack you're using. If you're using a 4-post rack, typically it's going to have those little squares in the front of the rack and you've got to clip those cage nuts into place. And as a back to the basics, this is a key basic that can really save you a lot of finger cuts, all those things. So what I'm talking about here is a cage nut. This cage nut is what goes in one of those square holes, and if you try to pinch it together, you've tried to use a flathead screwdriver to pop them through, and they're bouncing out and they're all over the place and the racks, and you're losing them, and you're just like, ah! It's crazy. So an easy way to get these done is a cage nut tool. Now a lot of people haven't seen this. This is a super high-end awesome cage nut tool, but typically it's just a little strip of metal that has this little hook deal, and if you put this in the rack and you put it through the front and you can just boop, clip it in, it saves you a ton of time. This is a super cheap piece of metal thing, and a lot of people don't have any idea what it is when it comes in the bag of cage nuts. They just take it and they just throw it away. They're like, I don't know what this piece of metal does. It will save you a ton of time. So this is a key back to the basics. If you're new to networking or if you've been in networking a while, you just don't know or never use this cage nut tool, it'll save you a lot of headache, a lot of finger cuts, all of those things. It's just nice to have good fingers. That's it. If I said anything in this video that you're like, hey, I'd love to know more about that, leave a comment. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next Back to the Basics, and we are out of here.